Imagine opening your inbox tomorrow and finding a robot already doing your job. This isn't some distant sci-fi fantasy, it's reality and it's unfolding right now. AI robots aren't just coming, they're here, and they're taking over jobs faster than anyone predicted. Think your email communication is safe? Meet the AI systems that have already transformed entire workflows. They're not just sorting emails, they're reading them, crafting responses, delegating tasks, and managing follow-ups. And they're doing it all without a human in sight. The scary part? Most people still think this takes human time. It doesn't anymore. Let's take a step into the high-stakes world of financial analysis. What if I told you that robots are already making investment decisions in milliseconds? Decisions that used to take humans days. AI algorithms now analyze vast data sets, predict market trends, and execute trades with precision humans can't match. And while investors believe they're still in control, a new kind of digital trader is quietly dominating the floor. Now consider the repetitive tasks you've been doing, believing they need your touch. Scheduling meetings, data entry, creating reports, vanishing one by one into the hands of AI. Robotic assistants now automate these mundane routines with a level of accuracy and speed that's simply unbeatable. They're freeing up human hours and in doing so, replacing the need for those hours altogether. But why hasn't everyone caught on yet? Because the changes are subtle, almost imperceptible at first. It's the creeping pace of an invisible revolution, where what's being removed is not just work, but the very concept of human necessity in certain roles. The real threat isn't just the loss of current jobs, it's the future we're unprepared for. The roles evolving beyond the reach of those who can't adapt. The advantage goes to those who see this shift, who learn to work with AI, not against it, because the people using AI best aren't asking better questions, they're removing whole chunks of work entirely. So why should you care? Because this could affect you. Whether you're a student choosing a career path, a manager overseeing a team, or a founder steering a company, understanding this shift is crucial. It's not just about survival. It's about thriving in an AI-driven future. Subscribe for more videos about the AI systems quietly changing how work gets done. Because staying informed is the first step to staying ahead.